This would be a typical staying productive video, and if you are new here, my name is Divyansh Malik. Nice to meet you. I am 18 years old. I started making YouTube videos since the starting of May 2021, and now I am spending the next couple of years documenting my life here on YouTube and also creating some ways to have a better content with you guys too. So for actually being productive, I really used to manage my time with the help of Google Keep and Google Calendar. Apart from all the digital tools and system we use, if you are looking for being productive, it really depends on how you manage your time. I always make sure that I am not just feeling productive but actually being productive. There are some weeks in my life where I feel I am on the top of everything, but on the other hand there are some weeks where I feel like nothing is happening in my life. If I am being honest, I am not really good at communicating my thoughts and ideas. But when you try to be productive week after week, it really requires you to conserve your energy, which is also important. Being productive is so beneficial, like you can do more things, making plans, having goals, and really achieving those goals. Everyone wants to achieve those goals. However, some people got lost in the task and lose of time, and at the end they are not achieving anything. Multitasking is usually seen as a road to productivity and getting more things done in less time. But this is false. You are actually dividing your attention between more works, so you prevent yourself from focusing on your task. Being productive means you can relax, and productivity is important because it helps you to manage time for yourself, make time for yourself. Productivity helps you to achieve all your goals and deadlines and achieving your tasks. If you are actually productive, it means you can manage your time, you can organize your time and task much better. Moreover, you will never forget any important details. So that means there is a high chance of not doing things again. It is often said that if you wake up early in the morning, more opportunities will be available to you during the daytime. Of course, this doesn't mean that if you are a night owl, opportunities will bypass you. But the thing is, as you will more productive, you will have more time for yourself. You can able to manage time for yourself more. Being productive comes from a lot of benefits. Maybe the most important of them is that you save your time for yourself, for taking new challenges and tasks. Like here I know what are my goals for future, and of course it's the thing that your future is defined on the things what you do today. I prefer being productive and make sure I'm giving my all 100%. Well, nothing in life is guaranteed, and I have a unique combination of extracurriculars where I'm managing my time and getting better at things, but not every time I guess. You won't be able to forgive yourself if you never give it a shot. I know this is a daunting task, like being productive is not easy. Clarity doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. What do I want to do with my life? This question is somewhere back in the mind of everyone, I guess. It is more easy to be productive with your passion. To spend your time, energy and passion on the things you enjoy to do is a universal desire. I hope you got a bit of a more deeper perspective of what I mean by actually being productive or why I stay productive. I'm not a productivity king, but I think at this point I know and I have experienced what actually being productive looks like. I really like to make a to-do list or plan for the next day a night before, or plan for a week or plan for a month, and I really go in the flow, and it really helps me to stay productive and getting things done and getting my tasks done. And with the help of this, I don't really waste my mornings, my days. Like if I have to achieve something after 3 years, I make plans and I go with the flow to achieve everything I want to achieve. And like this, without even knowing, you may open the door of opportunities ahead. So I don't want to make this so long. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you soon in the next video.